Go.
As you can tell, she was there.
Okay, go.
Storm Chasers Unlimited Vlog Documentary Season 2 Part 16.
17.
17? Damn it.
You done goofed.
17. I goofed?
You done goofed, kid.
I'm sorry.
What'd you
Would you like me to do it again?
No, it's fine. What'd you do this morning?
I threw discus, and I did really bad. And I'm falling. But I got 6, which means I didn't qualify for nationals.
Did you qualify for in shot?
Yeah, I got 4th.
And what about hammer?
Yes, I got 3rd in hammer.
Oh, so you got nothing to worry about.
Yeah, I got hammer and shot. 2 of my favorite events.
That's good.
Feels like I get to throw giant metal balls. And speaking of balls, well, hello.
Yeah. So now we're here early. Oh, that was early as hell. It's 8:30, and now we're here for Brock to throw javelin.
It is.
And she doesn't like to do the intro because she's just a killjoy. Even though she was in our last video, so why not? Well, not the last one, like part 10 extra she was in. Hi, Brock.
Talk, Ty. I'm about to throw javelin.
Yeah, we covered that.
No, I'm not.
Sweet.
Yeah.
How far are you going to throw today?
180.
What are you coming in ranked?
I have no idea. But I know I'm behind. I'm behind. No, I'm looking at the camera. I'm behind him. And him. And the guy on the ground over there. It's Tim Dad. Oh wait, no, not that guy.
It's Tim Dad.
Not that guy. That guy on the ground.
John?
Yes.
Hi, John. State your name, birthday, and social security number.
Daniel Osborne, September 27th. Fuck you.
Oh hey, Mitch, it's that one guy that was in our video.
Yeah, he was with you guys, and he was with him at Taco Bell yesterday
Muhammad?
too. Yeah, and then the kid in the USATF sweatshirt tried to talk to me.
Yes, I remember when I pushed him.
Yeah, and he
Like, shut up.
And then he pushed him, and I yelled at him that he can't talk to me, that he's not allowed. Yeah, because we're rough. We're rough and tough.
Speak for yourself.
If you're not rough and tough, are you soft and chewy?
No, I'm gentle, man. Girls dig it.
We all just mess around and record it.
Do what?
Oh yeah. Go Lefty.
No, we should.
I'll do it karaoke.
What we should do is start off with the left toss over.
Is that who that is?
Or is it like upside down? They go to throw, and like you.
There is definitely a border segregation.
There definitely is.
Like, Washington kids stick to themselves, and Oregon kids are like, "What's up, dude?"
I'll be so dizzy.
You should do your front flip into it and grab
block, back flip, and throw.
I think you should throw it, grab the tail end and throw it like a discus.
Throw it like a hammer. Yeah, throw it like a hammer. That's legal.
No, our coach was stupid. She was like,
And then chuck it.
she was like, make sure your hips come through last. And so we're like,
That's awesome. Yeah.
Well, I guess this is it. You can sign off for now. Got anything to say to the internet world?
What?
Got anything to say to the internet?
Go away.
She doesn't like you people.
What do you mean, you
Hates
people?
all of you. What do you mean? Add her on Facebook. Amber Bon Bon.
Oh my god.
I did. We're friends. We're friends. If you
Yeah,
find
she
me on
added
Facebook,
me.
she's on my friends list now. Her and Tim. Tim is too.
Guys,
Yeah.
I added you.
Form a shield.
Yeah.
Here you go, Becky.
Add me on Facebook.
And follow me on.
Yeah, just
I don't
look
know
up on my
what's
account.
Yep.
Stalk me. I like it.
Stalk me.
Alright.
All right.
We'll be sure to include some videos of me throwing
I
javelin.
definitely didn't get any Braden throwing disc. I forgot to get some. But yeah.
Put one video in right. No, one video in right now.
Nice. Boom.
What'd you say?
No, none of our stuff.
This is why we can't have nice things, John!
But I just want a bouncy castle!
Braden asked me, he was like, why can't I have a bouncy castle?
Jump all the way to the...
I need... Guys, I need... How do you change it?
No, I'm gonna jump.
Wait!
Oh, that was mad hot.
That was so dope. I wish I challenge you to do it then if it's not that far. Braden, you want to try it?
No.
Why not?
No.
It's not that far. Amber said so.
No.
It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. I totally missed it. But I popped my entire spine and it felt great.
Oh, that was I want to throw, but they won't let.
Do you think they'd let me go through a shot right now? Just to warm up, like just to practice. Have a little fun.
Mitch! Oh my god, our favorite people.
They're not my favorite people.
Oh, they're our least favorite people. Read more.
Oh hey, wait, do your Kelsey and we'll see if it looks the same.
Okay.
This is his invitation to her. It's a joke because she does. Yeah.
Alright, this is my Kelsey.
Wait. No,
Hold on, I'm getting a phone call.
looks exactly the same.
Hello?
Except mine
We are over at Javelin box throwing.
Yeah. What are you drinking?
Are you going to throw?
Cranberry Red Bull.
How big are your feet, John?
Pretty sure I'm gonna have to blow that out or something. I don't think I can do that.
So there was the open water bottle in the bag
We're
last
in part 17. Say hello.
Holy crap, how many did we do yesterday?
We did,
like 1 or 2.
well that means we did 16, we did 6 yesterday. Because we had 10 coming into yesterday.
Oh no.
Alright, we should sign off, it's a long part.
Alright, I'll see y'all next time.